Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair. Okay, and right now I'm just gonna, first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair in 4 sections. So I'm just gonna part it off with my fingers, and I mostly do my hair with my fingers. I rarely use any combs. If I do use a brush, it's just to brush it out, but it always has to be moisturized first. I don't brush my hair when it's dry at all. Okay, it's much easier to do that. You do need your water bottle, and this is my Daily Moisturizer TGIN. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one section for you. I did moisturize each section step by step, but I came back and I lost all the footage, unfortunately. So I only got to show you this section alone. But if you just repeat this step to the other sections, then you more than likely will get the job done. And just take your time and moisturize your hair with your fingers. It's best to do that, or you won't be pulling your hair out or whatever. So moisturizing it and pulling it apart slowly like I'm doing, it's very easy to maintain your hair, and you can retain length doing this as well. So now I'm using my brush to brush it out. Okay, like I said, I don't really use combs in my hair. I use my fingers a lot to detangle my hair because it's much easier to do that, and I retain my length doing that. I don't use combs that much, only to like part my hair. So right here, after you moisturize, it's best to either twist it up into small sections, or you could do it into big sections as well, whatever is comfortable for you. But I usually twist it in small sections. Only use a little bit of product, because if you use a lot, it's just gonna drench your hair, and more likely your hair will not suck it up all the way. So I'll let you keep watching, and like I said, just repeat it 3 more times to the sectioned areas and you'll be good. So I did take the liberty in twisting my hair up, okay, because it's much easier for me to maintain it that way, because I can't moisturize my hair and leave it out. It would just get matted all over again, and I would have to, I would just waste my time doing all that work. So I had to, twist it up. So this is how I keep my hair maintained and not matted because it really gets matted easily. Kinky hair, it's work. So I do moisturize my hair twice a day, in the morning and at night. If sometimes I get lazy and I don't moisturize it, but the next day I have to, because if I don't, it would just get real matted, and to the point where I might have these knots and I might have to cut it out. When I do twist my hair up and go to bed, I do wear a bonnet. So I just put on my bonnet and go to sleep. Okay, and the next day I usually take my twists out. If I'm going out, style it. If not, I just keep my twists in for a couple days if I'm staying in the house. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys another time. Bye.